Austin, Texas, is known for its vibrant music scene, its thriving tech industry, and its commitment to sustainability. Yet, amid the excitement of living in a growing, bustling city, one problem persists for many residents: clutter. Whether it's from a recent move, a home renovation project, or simply the buildup of everyday life, the accumulation of junk can quickly overwhelm your space. This is where junk removal services come into play, offering a solution that is both efficient and reliable. Here's why so many Austin residents trust junk removal services to maintain cleaner, more organized homes. The convenience of professional services is one of the primary reasons why Austin residents rely on junk removal services is the sheer convenience they offer. Whether you're dealing with bulky furniture, old electronics, or yard waste, hauling away junk can be physically demanding and time-consuming. Many Austinites simply don't have the time or the energy to handle the removal process themselves. Professional junk removal companies do all the heavy lifting, saving homeowners valuable time and effort. By making a simple call or booking online, residents can have their unwanted items removed quickly and efficiently without ever having to lift a finger. Moreover, junk removal services in Austin are often flexible, working around the customer's schedule. Whether it's a weekend or evening appointment, these companies strive to provide the ultimate convenience for their clients. This flexibility is particularly helpful for busy families, professionals, or anyone with a packed schedule. Eco-friendly solution. Sustainability is a cornerstone of Austin's culture, and residents are highly conscious of their environmental impact. Many junk removal services in Austin are committed to responsible disposal practices, which includes recycling, repurposing, and donating items whenever possible. Instead of sending everything to a landfill, these services take extra steps to ensure that recyclable materials like metal, cardboard, and plastic are properly sorted, and gently used items are donated to local charities. This eco-friendly approach is particularly appealing to those who want to reduce their carbon footprint. By choosing a junk removal service that prioritizes sustainable disposal, Austin residents can feel good about making a positive impact on the environment while also decluttering their homes. The benefits of expertise. Removing junk is not as simple as just throwing things away. Some items require special handling, such as old appliances, hazardous materials, or electronics that need to be disposed of in specific ways. Junk removal services have the experience and knowledge to deal with these items safely and responsibly. This expertise gives homeowners peace of mind, knowing that their junk is being disposed of according to all relevant regulations. Additionally, the workers who come to remove the junk are trained professionals. They know how to lift and transport large, heavy items without damaging the home or injuring themselves. This is an important consideration for anyone who might be tempted to attempt a DIY cleanup, as improperly handling large or awkwardly shaped objects can result in injuries or accidents. Stress-free decluttering. For many people, clutter can be a source of stress. Whether it's a garage full of forgotten belongings or an attic packed with old clothes and furniture, clutter can leave residents feeling overwhelmed. Junk removal services take that stress off the homeowner's shoulders. With a quick assessment of the items to be removed, these services can provide a fast and effective solution, leaving the home looking cleaner, fresher, and more organized. The emotional weight that comes with clutter can also be alleviated once it is cleared out. In fact, many people feel a sense of relief after using junk removal services, as they can finally reclaim their living spaces and enjoy a more organized, less chaotic environment. Cost-effective and affordable. Another reason Austin residents trust junk removal services is that they provide a cost-effective solution for getting rid of unwanted items. While DIY junk removal may seem like an affordable option, the costs of renting a truck, buying supplies, and potentially damaging property can quickly add up. Junk removal services offer transparent pricing that is often based on the amount of junk removed, making it easier to understand the overall cost. Additionally, many services offer free quotes, allowing customers to compare prices and find the best deal. For the peace of mind and convenience they provide, many homeowners find that the cost of professional junk removal is a worthwhile investment. Conclusion. For Austin residents looking to maintain a cleaner, more organized home, junk removal services offer an indispensable solution. With their convenience, eco-friendly approach, expertise, and stress-reducing benefits, these services help residents tackle clutter efficiently and effectively. Whether it's for a seasonal cleanout, a move, or simply to reclaim space, trusting a junk removal service can transform a cluttered house into a refreshing, clutter-free haven.